Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error egg, the word ACH egg. So egg you can use to take headache, something like that. So I'm giving here the only one example. So the first example is that after the run I had an ache in my legs. I'm giving you the one example. So you can see here I use the word ache in that sentence. I had an ache in my legs. So ache is a vowel, so before vowel always use an. So after this, so this is a common error. You can see this is the egg. Right? This is a common error. So what is the right answer? So after the run, so after the run, my legs were itching. My legs were itching. My legs were, don't use I had an itch in my leg. My legs were itching. This is the correct. This is correct. So, so I can write after the run I had pains in my legs. I had pains in my. This is also the correct. I had pains in my leg. I had pains in my leg. This is the correct, but always, but here in this system we don't use the pains is here. Just you should correct the ache, because after the run my legs were itching. Don't use the itch. So this is the formal style. This is also formal style. But this sentence is alternatively use I had pains in my leg, but it is not. Don't use the alternatively. Just replace this one. This word. After the run, my legs were itching. Don't use I had itch in my leg. So what is the logic? So H is usually either in a verb or compound. So with a verb. So H is use use verb or compound verb. So you can say to take, earache, headache, backache, stomachache plus ACH. So I did some weight training on Monday and my shoulder have been itching ever since. The radio of your is giving me a headache. Okay, so I have been itching ever since. So the radio of yours is giving me a headache. So the radio of yours giving me a headache. So this is giving me a headache. This is the compound verb, and this is the only verb. So H is sometimes used as a verb, H sometimes used as a compound verb. So this is a error correction of the word the egg. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.